She made $2,400. That's about 2.3 million whopping Naira from YouTube Adsense alone. This is one YouTuber who went from being broke, struggling financially, to making over $2,000 monthly from her YouTube channel. Now, this is from Google AdSense revenue alone. No side hustles or gig or selling of merchandise or consultancy or nothing. Just Google AdSense revenue alone. After watching her video, there are a few things that got stuck with me, and those are the things that I want to share with you. And as a YouTuber, they will help you as well. She said she started her YouTube channel with shorts. Then she realized that shorts were not taking her to where she wanted, which is YouTube monetization. So she quickly made some changes and started making long form videos. What this means is, as a YouTuber, always be quick to make changes. If something is not working, you should be able to take a look at your channel, look at your analytics, and then quickly make a change that will move you to the right direction. 2, she was creating content for months before one of her videos took off, and since then she has been making nothing less than one video a day, each day, till the very moment that I was making this video on YouTube. So consistency should be your watchword. I don't know what else to say about that. I mean, the word is self-explanatory. Be consistent. Post at least one video every day or 2 videos in a week. That is something, and do not stop until something blows up on your channel. And lastly, as she was making these videos and posting, she was struggling financially. She have younger ones to take care of, younger ones to feed, and today YouTube has changed her life and is still changing her life because she's still a YouTuber. YouTube has made many people millionaires, and you can be the next millionaire. So keep creating content, keep posting, keep showing up, no matter the challenges. Keep doing what you do, because YouTube can change your life like this beautiful lady right here. Okay.